checking out our SmartZip flagship installation at Holiday Inn Hotel. This is a special open space gym room on level 4. With our SmartZip flagship, it can easily control the amount of light coming in, so you don't need to worry about hot or rainy weather anymore. Upon opening the blinds, you will be greeted by a beautiful and impressive gym space. Say goodbye to jamming and misalignment with our automotive balancing system and dual volume bottom bar. Now, you don't need to worry about the weather ruining your gym experience. Contact us today to get your SmartZip flagship.